Hello, my name is Jordan and I'm a PhD student at the University of Hull, and I'm going to tell you a little bit about my story as a marine scientist and where I am now. So the thing that actually sparked my interest to get into a marine science was when I was about 15. My dad and I were away on holiday, and I saw some marine biologists that were diving, and they were actually laying down tape, taking pictures of coral, putting down grids. And as soon as we came out from snorkeling, I said to Dad, that's what I want to do. So from then I decided that I was going to go into marine biology, which is exactly what I did. So I did marine biology at the University of Hull as my undergraduate degree. And my path has sort of changed. I don't think I'm going to go down that coral sort of field anymore. I'm now really into renewable energies and also anthropogenic impacts, so that's human impacts on anything really, but particularly for me, I'm interested in human impacts on the ocean, so that's exactly what my PhD is on now. So that's kind of what sparked my interest, what sparked my passion, and for me, I'm particularly curious about things that we don't know yet. I have such a big excitement for finding out different things, and also I feel like science is a bit of a puzzle. You kind of piece together different things that someone has found out before you, and you find out a little bit more and you can piece them together, or just making the jigsaw basically. I think that is what excites me about science the most, that my brain is constantly challenged, and I absolutely love that. And also being able to make a difference, I think is something that excites me a lot. And with the opportunities that I've been given, for example this PhD, I hope that from this I will be able to make a difference and help develop the offshore wind sector. So the other thing about science as well is I feel like it's a community. I feel like being part of the scientific research community means that everyone can learn from each other and learn from people's mistakes or things that worked well for them. And I think that is so important, because there is no I in team. There is an I in science, but I still think that science is very much a team effort. You can't solve all the questions in science by yourself. It is a team effort. So I think that is something that makes me feel part of a community, being in a science and research environment, because I do feel part of a team. I've had many highlights which motivate me now thinking about them. So for example, in my undergraduate degree, I was very, very lucky and managed to get CFAS, which is a government organisation, on board in my dissertation. So CFAS are the Centre for Fisheries and Aquaculture Science. And from that I've been able to sign up and got accepted into my first international conference. So that is meant to be in September, we'll see. So far so good, it is going ahead at the minute, but time will tell. So that is a massive highlight, and I can't wait to be able to have that experience. And also I was able to be interviewed by Ørsted to talk about the opportunities in offshore wind for young people, how important it is. So that was another thing that is definitely a highlight for me. In terms of the next generation, I think there is so much yet to figure out and learn, whether it's marine science, whether it's absolutely anything, engineering. There is so much that you can do. And I just think that is so exciting, that whatever this generation finds out, the next generation can build on that knowledge, and we have no idea what that could be yet. It's absolutely amazing and a really exciting prospect. So if you are excited by the thought of developing new things and helping build a sustainable future, then I think science is exactly what you need to get into.